Hi friends, my name is Toria. Welcome to STEM AI Clubhouse. Today we're going to build the most amazing playground. But guess what? We have a little helper. Meet our AI friend. AI is a super smart computer that can help us build things. Do you think AI can make a fun playground? Let's find out. We're inside Minecraft and we need to build a playground. But instead of doing all the work, we're going to let AI help us. What do you think makes a fun playground? Swings, slides, a big castle? Let's tell AI what we want. We'll type, a colorful playground with a giant slide and bouncy floors. Okay, let's see what AI makes for us. Are you ready? Count down with me. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, AI is building so fast. This is awesome. Look at the big slide. It's so tall. Oh wow, AI even added a trampoline floor. So much fun. Let's jump. Uh-oh, AI made the swings too big. Ha! That's silly. AI is like a super helper. It learns by looking at lots of playgrounds and tries to build one just for us. Just like we learn by watching and practicing, AI learns from data. Now it's your turn. If you could build any playground with AI, what would you make? A spaceship slide? A rainbow swing? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to dance. Let's do a happy AI dance. Wiggle, wiggle, jump, jump, yay! This was so much fun. AI helped us build a playground, and you helped too. Next time we're using AI to build a magical candy world. Don't miss it. Hit the big red button to subscribe. Bye, friends. See you next time.